Hi everybody, welcome back for phonics. Can't believe how quickly this week is going and how much amazing phonics you're all doing. Thank you very, very much. So today we've got 4 quick jobs. First, we're going to remember the sound that we did yesterday. Can you remember what it was? Zzz. Then we're going to have a practice at sounding out words which have 4 sounds because that is really tricky. So I'm going to be sounding some of those out and you can copy me. Then we're going to introduce our new sound, W. And finally today you can read a match on Class Dojo. So let's have a little reminder about yesterday's sound, Z. Can you remember how it zigs and zags? Try with your magic finger now, making a Z. Zig, zag, zig. And again, zig, zag, zig. Well done. I've got 2 words here for you to write. One of them is zip, and the other one is buzz. Or you could think of it like the bee that buzzes. So I have a little line here because even though this is just for the Z sound, it's to remember that sometimes we get 2 letters that say one sound. So sometimes we write 2 Z letters even though we only say Z one time. So I'd like you, if you could please, to pause the video here when you've sounded out zip and buzz. So Z, it, and buzz. So pause the video now to have a go at writing those. You should have had a go now at writing zip and buzz. So you can check with me now. Z, I, z, z, I, z, I, zip. Great, zip. Let me try buzz. B, uzz. B, b, a, b, uzz. And they're special friends. So I need 2. Okay, I hope yours look like mine. And well done if they did. Now then, quite often when we're writing at the moment, we're writing words with 3 sounds. Last week I did give you a job to write some 4-sound words, and I wouldn't be surprised if you did find it a bit tricky. So let's have a little bit of a go at sounding out 4-sound words. First, let's play it like, what am I talking about? And then it'll be your turn to sound out too. So, here we go. What am I talking about? Og. Yes, frog. Og. Please can you now sound out frog? Great. If I'm not leaving enough time for you to sound out, you can always pause the video each time. Let's do it together. Frog. Og. Well done. What am I sounding out now? It. Slip. Here it is, slip. Listen carefully and then it's your turn. It. Your turn to sound out slip. Okay, what am I talking about now? Op. Stop. Listen carefully. Stop. Can you sound out stop? Great. What am I talking about now? It. Flip. See if you can sound out flip on your own now. Shall we check? It. Great. And the last one is sweet. Can you sound out sweet on your own? Try it now. Listen to me to see if you got it right. Eat. Sweet. Now, funnily enough, that last one had our new sound in it. W. Let's go and learn it now. Here it is. W. It was a very windy day. The man is trying to stop his umbrella being blown away. The wind is blowing very hard, making a W sound. Can you do it like me? W. W. Well done. Let me sound out some of the words on the page for you and see if you can blend to hear what I'm saying. W, et, wet, w, est, west, west. The sun sets in the west. This is a long word, so let's break it up in the middle. W, I, nd, wind, ill, mill, windmill. Do you know what a windmill is? If you don't know what a windmill is, go and have a look and do some research today. Here's the next one. S, w, I, t. Have you got it? Listen again. Swift. Swift. You can say swift, meaning quickly, like she did it swiftly, meaning she did it quite fast. Or swift is also the name of a type of bird, and we see them in Kenya. Let's have a look behind me. Aha! There's one word for you to sound out on your own. Have a go now. If you haven't got it yet, try sounding out one more time. Well done if you think you've got it. Wind. Wind. Well done. This picture is very windy. So you know what to do now when we get to this page. Make sure you've got a nice pencil on your paper or your whiteboard and your whiteboard pen to practice our new letter 5 times. I'm going to show you how to do it to start with, and then you can pause the video to finish your 5. Always start at the top. Down, up, down, up. W. down, up, down, up. W. Pause the video here so that you can write W 5 times. Well done everyone, that's us nearly at the end of our job, because today you are going to go away on your Class Dojo worksheet and read and match these W words. But very quickly, let me show you what they are. This one is wet, wet. This one is wigs, wigs. This one is wind, wind. And this one is web, web. Go away and read these words and match them up to the picture. Well done everyone, super phonics, keep it up, and I'll see you soon.